This might look like an old-fashioned, but it's the more elevated cousin. This is the Sazerac. And if you go to the bar and order a Sazerac, you're basically signaling to the bartender that you know a thing or two about cocktails. The Sazerac is what some consider to be the quintessential New Orleans cocktail, and it's something that involves a little extra technique for a solid return. Let me show you how to make it. So what's in a Sazerac? I use 2.5 ounces of rye whiskey, 4 to 6 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, an absinthe rinse, but I use this atomizer that already has absinthe in it to rinse the glass, and I'll show you that later on. You'll need about 1/4 ounce of sugar and a lemon peel for zest and garnish. Traditionally, this drink is made with a sugar cube and half a teaspoon of cold water, but I personally enjoy Demerara Syrup, which you can easily make at home. To make this, you just add 2 parts Demerara sugar to 1 part water. In this case, I'm using 2 cups Demerara sugar to 1 cup of water. Let the water come to a boil and slowly add the Demerara sugar, ensuring you have it fully dissolved. Let the syrup cool down before transferring it to the bottle. It's important you have a bottle with an airtight seal. And now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to show you how to make this delicious cocktail. The tools we need for this drink are a mixing glass, a long stirring spoon, a strainer, and a fruit peeler. And everything I use in my bar, including this drink, is linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. To prepare this drink, I'm filling up my rocks glass with ice to chill in advance. Starting with the mixing glass, I'm going to add my 4 to 6 dashes, but in my case, I'm adding 6 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Next, I'm adding roughly 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. Now I add the 2.5 ounces of rye whiskey. Now that all the ingredients are added, it's time to add ice and stir it all together. Now I take my atomizer that's filled with absinthe, spraying and making sure to cover the entire glass. And now I strain everything into my absinthe rinsed rocks glass. Lastly, I take a lemon peel, extract the oils, and drop it in like so. And there you have it, the delicious Sazerac. Cheers. So delicious. I hope you enjoyed integrating absinthe into your cocktail, and I'd love to hear in the comments what you think of it. I know for me personally, I love making this cocktail, and anytime I use absinthe in a drink, it always impresses people. Besides, everyone knows what an old-fashioned is, and it's always fun teaching people about the Sazerac to add to their cocktail knowledge. And if you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, enjoy making delicious cocktails, hit that subscribe button as I put out new videos each week. And in the comments, let me know what cocktails I should try to make, and I'll see about making those in future videos. But until next time, cheers.